What are these? Oh, that's kind of cute. Scan. Shaker. Transcript taken from a dictaphone of Dr. Kelly Lombard, February 12, 1969. Dearly beloved. Oh. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to remember our esteemed and honored and oh so kind colleague, Eric Gordon. Taken from us far too soon, Eric was a shining light in our lives. Let us remember him for his achievements, his humor, and his grace. Let us remember how he lived, and not how he died, propelled, as he was, 600 feet into the air by a sudden blast of hot, corrosive slime. I know our hearts are all heavy today. We only wish Eric could have also been heavier, and thus not flown quite so far. Okay, watch out for this this compressed like gas thing that's like